This beast's sheer size, realistic expressions, and hot winds of banana breath are just some of its many remarkable features. But what's most remarkable is the entire concept behind this new approach to how to treat an audience.
In essence, we've now got the guests eye to eye, just feet away from King Kong, and they're actually participating with him swinging the bridge back and forth for, it's got to be sure, imminent disaster. We escape out of there, needless to say, to live and tell the story over and over again. And that's just a bit of movie magic that happens in 2 minutes and 20 seconds, resets, and essentially happens every 3 minutes all day long.